Everybody today, including MPT, has had a review on this whole issue. We have understood why things have been going or what needs to be coordinated better. SP, आमचो Collector South, will be monitoring this henceforth to ensure smooth movement of this particular cruise ships coming into. Passengerak सदांच ताजे हें आसता स्वता whoever passenger is coming or a tourist who is coming to Goa has the choice of picking up his choice of travel and ते बरें करपाक एक सायडीक कोचीस समज आसा जाल्यार सेकंड सायडीक गोवा गव्हर्मेंट थ्रू GTDC is starting their counter where this counter will offer services in queue system of the waste taxis which are there. Queue system and Director of Transport notified rates will be applicable and त्या हाजेर the tourist will also have an option of going for the taxis which they can take at those prescribed rates through the counter. ताज्या खातीर ही सिस्टम जाग्यार घाल्ल्यो आसा. 28 तारीख पर्यंत we will have a review of this. By 30th the ships are coming. All to all minimum 42 ships are expected this year may go up. Out of which 12 are international and about 30 are domestic. ते 12 इंटरनॅशनलाचे ही पयर आयली ती चवथी आनी आमकां हे नंबर्स वाडोवपाचे आसा आनी ताजे खातीर एक सिस्टम तयार करपाक बाकीचे करपाक मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन उलयले आमी आनी आज जी रिव्यू घेतल्या तातूंतल्यान वी हॅव पुट and ensured a monitoring system in place and a system in place in terms of getting the taxi in the queue system where the GTDC counter will again go live over there on the MPT area and the coaches which are operating which will be a part of the tours and travels things. आम्ही एक वाटेन जेन्ना आम्ही हे जाग्यार घालूंक सोदता we have also called upon the cooperation of the Vasco MLA आमचो मोर्मुगांव MLA बाब संकल्प to and he has also assured that he will give all support required to have a good experience for the tourist in terms of nautical tourism.
पण फाटल्या दिसांनी संकल्पानूच एक सपोर्टान तेंच्या हें उलयलेलें ब्रीफिंग केलेलें सो आतां कितें जालें
It's not a question, but let us not go back. I think we are going ahead and त्या खातीर आज रिव्यू मागिल्ली खंय समज कितें कोऑर्डिनेशन गॅप जाले MPT खातीर नाल्यार आनी खातीर त्या खातीर आमी कलेक्टर सावथाकूच रिक्वेस्ट केला की ताजे थ्रू हर ऑफिस of SDM, Vasco or whatever need to monitor this with Director of Transport, Tourism, Police and other stakeholders which become a part and parcel of running these ancillaries properly and give a smooth experience for the tourists. So touristak सदांच choice आसता कितें जाय तें कोचान वतलो काय गाडयेन वतलो. कोचान वतलो जाल्यार tours and travels people who are having the coaches are operating and if it is taxis our counter will help them operate and give the taxis where they are there. आता जे taxis थंय आसात त्या टॅक्सिंग आम्ही थंय ऑन बोर्ड करून वी विल एन्श्योर दॅट दिस सिस्टम ऑल्सो
अनेक इश्यू
and this starts immediately.
मोपाचे किती डिस्कशन
मोपाचे in terms of logistics, in terms of again movement थंय आता एक्सपेक्टेड पॅसेंजर जे आसात तो लोड आसा तो आमकां आतां कसो जाय and how we need the tourists to move in कित्याक tourists will be moving in various parts of the state or part of North Goa. ते मुवमेंट समज स्मुदन करतले जाल्यार लॉजिस्टिक्स वन इज द मुवमेंट ऑफ बसीस वन इज द मुवमेंट ऑफ कार्स सगळे ते कशें करपाक जाय. सिमिलर काउंटर सिस्टम्स वी पुट ओवर देर टू एन्श्योर स्मूथ एक्सपिरियन्स फॉर मोपा एअरपोर्ट ऑल्सो हॅज बीन डिस्कस्ड. हाज्या खातीर आमकां कदंबाचो हेल्प खंय जाय पडटा डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्टाचो हेल्प जाय पडटा हे इनकॉर्पोरेट करून घेतल्या आनी जवळ जवळ एक 8 ते 10 दिसां भितर MPTचो आमी आज जे उलयले ताजो रिव्यू बिफोर 30th will be taken by our department. Similarly, MOPA, in the first week, we will again review and take review of the department. I mean, of what has happened. The 5 तारखेक the first flights are supposed to land. And ताज्या खातीर सगळे planning in terms of the tourists coming in has to be smoothened म्हणून ह्यो मिटिंगो मागिल्ल्यो आशिल्ल्यो. सो एक वाटेन एअरपोर्टा कडेन ऑथॉरिटीज आनी सगळे GMR तशेंच एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टर बाकीच्या सगळ्यां कडेन मिटिंगो घेतल्या आनी आज MPT कडेन घेतल्या. सो जशें सीझन स्टार्ट जाता आनी टुरिस्ट येता by ship or by airways, both experiences need to be put where logistics will play a major role.
As a tourism minister, as a tourism minister, what is your say on this?
Taxi service already MOPA already हे आसा कितें म्हणटा ते हांगा प्रिफरन्स व्हेरी क्लियरली इज डिफायन्ड की ज्यो गाडयो पयल्यो येतल्यो अगेन ऑन द क्यू सिस्टम पेडणेच्यो तालुक्याच्यो गाडयांक जशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलां पेडणे तालुक्याच्या गाडयांक पयले प्रिफरन्स मेळटलें हू आर कमिंग ऑन द एप I mean who are coming in their queue system. So queue system आणि येवपी जो काउंटर येतलो तातूंतल्यान पेडण्या जावपी गाडयो तालुकाच्यो जे मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे त्यो तांकां प्रिफरन्स मेळटले. All other vehicles also will be having a chance to get themselves registered on their counter and ensure that we are able to operate that logistics of vehicles. थंय जवळ जवळ पयल्यो जाल्यार कमीत कमी 600-650 गाडयो दिसाक सद्याक इन द इनिशियल स्टेज जाय पडटली. सो त्या प्रमाणे एक गाडयांचे जे रजिस्ट्रेशन जाता where you have Goa Miles or you have our Goa Taxi or the queue system which is to be done by Goa Tourism, each option will be available for the tourists to come in. जसे येता तसे तांकां मेळटले फॅसिलिटीज, पूण एक ऑपरेशनल ते करता आसतना सायमल्टेनियसली आमी जवळ जवळ 8 बसी कदंबाक सांगल्या ऑपरेटिव्ह कर, जातूंतल्यान एवरी 1 hour आमच्यो फ्लायट देंवता आनी टुरिस्टाचे आमचे खंय कोळंगुटे वता, म्हापशां वता, पेडण्यात रावतले काय खंय वतले, अँड सरचार्ज फॉर वीच द पॅसेंजर्स कॅन पे अँड टेक द फॅसिलिटीज ऑफ दीस बस फॉर अ ग्रुप मुवमेंट or whatever, they have that choice also. So logistics movement will be there. Kadamba also has tentatively been assuring us that they are already able to supply this. And हे समज केले म्हाका दिसता initial staging जे problems which we are forecasting will be sorted by this smooth.
Can you give a clarification on the timings as far as Christmas and New Year? 12 किती exactly?
तुमच्या पहिले आयचे मिटिंगेचे सोबत माहिती
You had advertised about the
दाबोले एअरपोर्टार आसा तशेंच काउंटर्स आसतले, आणि ते काउंटर्स ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल जातले फॉर पीपल who will have options to travel by taxi or also operate by coaches. Coachesan काय कदंबा का काउंटर ना थंय, but logistics दिवन आमी we will ensure that they are available for the tourists who comes from a mid segment, who ताका समज शटल करपा जाय तर ताका ऑप्शन्स अवेलेबल आसतले जशे वास्को आसा.
Can you give a clarification?
advertised for applications, inviting applications from taxi operators. But what kind of response have you all got for that? Because
No, that particular ad was kept in abeyance because there was no clarity within the people there, which created some confusion. कित्याक ते ॲप जेन्ना लॉन्च जातालो आनी हो एड येतालो एकाच बरोबर आयले, कोणाचले ॲप कोणाचले एड. सो दॅट आय थिंक क्लॅरिटी विल कम इन द नेक्स्ट 2 days with this ad,
No, but-
which will give a thing for registration of this particular vehicles under this queue system.
Clarity was between the tourism and transport department or कोणाचे हितून?
काय ना टुरिझम आनी ट्रान्सपोर्टाचे काय इश्यूज ना.
नाही, but-
बेसिकली थंय मोपा एअरपोर्टाच्या थंय कितें जाता, जेन्ना कोणूय कितें बरी गोश्ट करूंक वता तेन्ना देर आर ऑलवेज एप्रिहेन्शन्स रेज्ड. पीपल फ्रॉम पेडना तालुका फेल्ट that they were not being given the preference as what was promised to them, not only in terms of jobs but in terms of logistics support. So that has been sorted, and I think that we will also ensure that we are able to put these things.
Can you clarify on this issue now, especially Christmas and New Year timing किती आहे
So when the app is there, then why we require the counter? When there is the app, no app based you are saying, so why we require the counter?
App based आणि counter ना queue system counter म्हणला.
Correct.
क्यू सिस्टमाक ॲप नसता.
नसता.
जो आमी आतां एमपीडीक सांगला आमी थंय काउंटर घालता तो क्यू सिस्टमाचो, तो ॲप न्ही. तो येवन क्यूआन करतलो, क्यूआची गाडी घेतली आनी तो
Everywhere it
वतलो.
is.
वास्को आसा, इंटरनॅशनली सगळे कडेन ताका काउंटर जाय.
Sir, can you clarify on this timings as far as New Year and Christmas is
And the
concerned?
rest of the counters or what to be given or not to be given is the prerogative of GMR. I cannot come into that because GMR is running the airport.
As a
You
tourism
can ask those questions to GMR.
As a tourism minister, can you clarify on this? Because लोकांच्या हितून 12 म्हणटा वो कितें पळयता, because Christmas and New Year आणि वर्साच्या हितून 15 दीस
मिडिया जितलो इश्यू करतले तितलो तो चड हायलायट जातलो.
No, but तुम्ही सांगा न्हू सर.
हायकोर्टान ऑलरेडी समज सांगला टायमिंग्स, तातून रिलॅक्सेशन फाल्यां आमची कॅबिनेट आसा आनी त्या कॅबिनेटच्या वेळार आय थिंक दिस इज वन टॉपिक विच ऑल ऑफ अस विल डिस्कस, बिकॉज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा अँड टुरिझम वी नीड टू रीलुक एट वॉट एक्झॅक्टली द डायरेक्शन्स हॅव कम. वी कॅनॉट टॉक समथिंग विच इज गिवन एज अ जजमेंट फ्रॉम द कोर्ट, बट प्रॅक्टिकली आमची जेन्ना काजरां आसता, बाकीची जात्रा आसता और इव्हेंट्स आसता, द क्वेश्चन इज द इम्प्लिमेंटेशन. आता देर आर एलिगेशन्स की इंडोर सुद्धा पुलीस वता आणि काढता म्हणून सगळं सामान. आमचे ऑपरेटर आमचे ट्रॅव्हल कंपनीज सांगता की हॉटेलांनी वता आणि सिस्टमच उबारतात म्हणून पुलीस. Whether it is admissible or no, indoors there is no directives. Secondly, there is no discussion on the 15 days.
Correct.
There are many things which need to be spoken about, and maybe we need to come out with a collective thought process in terms of keeping tourism alive in the days to come. So this season becomes very important. The एक tourism आणि एक काजरा यासाठी कंटिन्यूस असा. खंयचेच काजार बेगीन सोपना, which we are practically knowing. So if we have some ways to look at it ahead, Environment Department, Dilesh Kabral, I think already is looking into it. So फाल्या cabinet असताना I think this will be one of the points which I would love to put across and see what is the collective thought of the cabinet to find a solution to the tourism problem.
Okay. Yeah.
So Sunburn will